Hello everyone, good morning to all. So, up to previous lecture, we have discussed our first topic, market milk. Okay. In today's lecture, we have start our new topic, that is common dairy processes. In this topic, we have discussed some methods used in dairy chemistry or dairy industries. Okay. That is our topic name is common dairy process. Dairy technology has been defined as that branch of dairy science which deals with the processing of milk and manufacture of milk products, their storage and packaging on industrial scale. डेअरी टेक्नॉलॉजीमध्ये म्हणजे आपण जर डेअरी केमिस्ट्री पाहिलं तर आपण काय करतो मोस्टली जे काही मिल्क आहे त्याच्यावर प्रोसेस करून काही प्रोडक्ट्स मॅन्युफॅक्चर करतो, त्यांचं पॅकेजिंग स्टोरेजिंग अँड हे कशावरती लार्ज स्केलवरती म्हणजे इंडस्ट्रियल स्केलवरती आपण करतो. अँड ऑर्गनाइज डेअरी हॅव been successfully engaged in routine commercial production of pasteurized milk and various milk products. Okay, for example, like Amul, he has organized dairy, he has produced much more products of milk and milk fats and another commercial products related to milk. Some of the dairy process are discussed in detail in this chapter, like cream separation and pasteurization. That techniques we have to discuss in this topic. Then first one, cream separation. When the milk fat is concentrated into the fraction of the original milk, that portion is known as cream. म्हणजे जो जनरली अप्पर साइडला जो कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड लेयर आहे त्यालाच आपण काय कन्सिडर करतो क्रीम. द वर्ड सेपरेटिंग क्रीम ऑफ्टन लीड्स टू an erroneous conception regarding the nature of the cream. In commercial sense, a product having less than 80% milk fat is called cream. The product which is concentrated at upper layer which is having more than less than 80% milk fat is called generally cream. The cream is that portion of milk rich in milk fat that rises to the top of the milk while it is standing or is separated from it by means of centrifugal departure. Means centrifugal force यूज करून सगळं तुम्ही जे क्रीम आहे ती सेपरेट करू शकता. Then basic principles of cream separation. Separation of cream from milk is possible because of a difference in specific gravity between the fat and liquid portion or serum. Means जे फॅट आणि सिरम, फॅट सेपरेट केले, राहिले जे सिरम आहे ते कशामुळे दोन सेपरेट होतात तर डिफरन्स इन द स्पेसिफिक ग्रॅव्हिटी. The serum or skim milk portion possesses an average specific gravity of 1.033 while the milk fat having specific gravity 0.930. These are the specific gravities of fat and skim milk. Then methods of cream separation. Methods of cream separation. Generally these methods are divided into three groups. First one, gravity methods, then water dilution method and centrifugal creaming methods. First one, gravity method. When milk is allowed to stand for some time, there is a tendency to fat to rise. Means जर आपण दूध थोडं स्टेबल ठेवलं तर बरोबर क्रीम लेयर जो तो अप्पर साइडला तो ती टेक्निक म्हणजे फक्त ग्रॅव्हिटी मेथड. The velocity or rate at which the fat globules rise is given by the following equation which is known as Stokes law. The gravity method मध्ये which law we have used in this gravity method? Stokes law. Stokes law state that phi is equal to 2g divided by g into ds minus df into r square divided by eta, where phi is the velocity at which single fat globule rises, g is acceleration due to gravity, and ds density of skim milk, df density of fat, and r is the radius of fat globule is there, not the density of fat. and it is the viscosity of skim milk. These are the Stokes laws. सिंपल जो वेलॉसिटी जी तुमची म्हणजे स्किम तुम्ही जर मिल्क स्टेबल ठेवलं जे फॅट पार्टिकल्स आहेत अप्पर साईडला याला किती वेळ लागेल त्याच्यावरती तुमचं डिपेंड आहे ग्रॅव्हिटी मेथड. देन सेकंड द नेक्स्ट वेलॉसिटी इज इन्क्रीज बाय म्हणजे जे क्रीम पार्टिकल आहेत ते हे जे पार्टिकल्स आहेत फॅट पार्टिकल जे आहेत ते त्यांची वेलॉसिटी किती increase in radius of fat globules increases in difference in densities of skim milk and fats decreases in the velocity of skim milk. The next factors affecting the rate of rise of cream: size of fat globules, temperature, clumping, addition of other size. As the size of fat globule increases, rate at which cream rises also increases. फॅट ग्लोब्युलची साईज जर वाढली तर तो जो रेट आहे तो वरती येण्याचा वेलोसिटीचा तो इन्क्रीज होईल. टेम्परेचर ऑल्सो इन्क्रीजेस, viscosity decreases and hence velocity increases. Then clumping. A clump or cluster acts like a single globule or far its movement through skim milk is concerned. Then adhesives. In addition of it ultimately help in increasing the rate of fat globule rises. Then disadvantage of this gravity method: it is very slow and are no longer used in commercially for cream separation. Then second method of cream separation, that is water dilution method. The principle based behind this water dilution method, it is based on the principle that the addition of water to milk would lower the viscosity so that the cream could rise more readily. Means when we added water in that milk, that viscosity of that water get decreases so that fat globules get easily rises. Okay, then procedure: a special tank fitted at the bottom with a tap. Milk to be separated in the place in such a tank and an approximately equal quantity of water is added. After 12 hours the skim milk water mixture reaches near the drain. The cream is separated in separate container. मीन्स एक टँकमध्ये खालच्या साईडला टॅप म्हणजे कॉक असेल असे सिस्टीम केलेली असते. त्याच्यामध्ये जेवढं मिल्क आहे तेवढंच वॉटर ॲड करून ठेवायचं. 12 तासानंतर वरती जो तुमचं फॅट ग्लोब्युलचा लेअर असेल क्रीम लेअर सेपरेट होईल आणि खालच्या साईडला तुमचं जे स्किम मिल्क आहे ते राहील, फक्त ते सेपरेट करायचं. ॲडव्हान्टेज ऑफ दिस मेथड: cream is drawn within 12 hours or less and it is better than gravity method. म्हणजे ग्रॅव्हिटी मेथडपेक्षा ही थोडीशी चांगली मेथड आहे. डिसएडवांटेज: the separation of cream is incomplete. This method requires excessive amount of liquid to be. This one is disadvantage of this water dilution method. The next one, centrifugal creaming method. This one is centrifugal creaming method apparatus. Okay, can saw that one in also your book. Then we discuss that centrifugal creaming method. When process for that, when milk enters a radially revolving bowl, it is acted upon both the gravity and by the centrifugal force generated by rotation. साईडचा जो हँडल आहे वरच्या बाउलमध्ये ज्यावेळेस मिल्क करताय साईडचा हँडल रोटेट केला की तिथं सेंट्रिफ्युगल ॲज वेल ॲज ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स जनरेट होतो आणि त्याच्यानुसार ते सेपरेट व्हायला चालू होतं. द सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स इज अबाउट 3000 to 6000 times greater than the gravitational force. In the cream separator, both the fat and skim milk are subjected to centrifugal force. The difference in the density affected the heavier portion more intensely than the lighter portion. Means ज्यावेळेस सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स अप्लाय केला जातो त्यावेळेस डेन्सिटीमध्ये जो डिफरन्स आहे आणि त्याच्यामुळे हेवियर जो पोर्शन आहे तो जास्त होईल आणि लायटर पोर्शन अप्पर साईडला येईल. म्हणजे that thereby the skim milk is forced to be periphery while the fat portion moves towards the center. Means by using this centrifugal force म्हणजे जो फॅट ग्लोब्युल्स आहेत ते सेंटरकडे राहतील आणि स्किम मिल्क जे ज्याची डेन्सिटी कमी असेल ते बरोबर साईडला जातील. The skim milk and cream both are formed parallel and are led through separate outlets. The cream outlet is higher level than the skim milk outlet. Both begin near the axis of rotation. Means ज्यावेळेस सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स अप्लाय करता त्यावेळेस स्किम मिल्क साईडला जातं आणि सेंटरच्या साईडला फॅट ग्लोब्युल्स जातात आणि फॅट ग्लोब्युल्स एका टॅपने तुम्ही सेपरेट करू शकता आणि मिल्क एका साईडने सेपरेट होऊ शकते. स्किम मिल्क सॉरी. देन now we have to compare this gravity method and centrifugal method by different particulars. First one, nature of forces. Gravity methods having gravitational force and centrifugal methods having centrifugal force, no doubt. Speed of separation extremely low, instantaneous. Direction of movement of fat and skim milk particles vertical, horizontal. Bacteriological quality of cream and skim milk in gravity method low and in centrifugal method that is high. Fat percent of cream 10 to 25% and in centrifugal method 18 to 85%. Then scale of operation 0.2 or above and 0.1 or below. Skim milk small and in the centrifugal method that is large amount of skim milk, means there is more separation of fat is there. Then next, factors affecting fat percent of cream, that is speed of machine, temperature of milk, rate of milk flow, amount of flushing water, formation of separators line. These are the factors which affects in the percent of fat in centrifugal creaming methods. Then next, pasteurization of milk. This point we will discuss in next lecture, pasteurization of milk.